New USB technology, better than the plug-in power USB that I had done before. USB-C is one step up on that. Let me show you. I had a problem. I couldn't use either of these USB-Cs if I had my keyboard plugged in here. So I went and bought this USB Belkin adapter, HDMI, 2 USB, and a USB-C. And everything is powered. So now I can run my keyboard, my wireless headphones. I can probably plug my monitor in there. I haven't tested that yet. But I don't have to plug this into power because USB-C is powered. Links in the description. Take you to Amazon. They're affiliate links. But there are a whole host of different types of USB hubs that have way more than what I've got here, including micro SD cards for camera cards and so on. Check it out.